The importance of cardio exercise. Many individuals view cardio exercise as a form of torture. However, if you inform yourself of all the benefits cardio exercise has to offer, you may well change your view. Cardio exercise is not only for super athletes training to run marathons. The benefits extend out into many areas of your lives beside physical fitness. 1. A heart-healthy choice. One of the main benefits of partaking in cardio exercise is that it does wonders for your heart. Cardio gets the blood circulating and pumping to your heart. Your heart is a muscle and needs to be worked out just like any other muscle. Just because you cannot see it, does not mean it is not in need of some tender loving care. The stronger you make your heart, the better it will work for you. Your heart will not have to pump as hard to get the job done. Walking uphill or up and down stairs can leave you short of breath, but if you partake in cardio exercise you will notice that this will change. Don't forget to share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. 2. For maintaining a healthy weight. Cardio exercise also benefits everyone as it enables you to maintain your metabolism and therefore, maintain a healthy weight. Obesity is a crisis in our nation today and cardio exercise is an excellent place to start, along with diet of course. Cardio burns calories and gets the heart pumping. Cardio exercise will assist in weight loss, however it can also assist in maintaining it. It is a win-win situation. 3. Move faster to sleep better. Cardio exercise has been known for its fast-paced energetic movement. This also assists you in sleeping better at night. Studies have shown that people who partake in cardio exercise have fewer sleep issues. The better you sleep, the more energy you will have for cardio. The more energy you have for cardio, the more benefits you will reap. 4. Reduce stress. Many individuals in today's multitasking, high-paced life tend to turn to things such as alcohol, overeating, or smoking to reduce stress. However, those things may work temporarily but they do not work in the long run, they hurt your body. Cardio exercise promotes the release of endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Once you start incorporating cardio exercise into your life, you will see a natural boost in your mood. 5. Fewer diseases. Cardio exercises reduce diseases such as heart disease, lung disease, high blood pressure, diabetes. With all these benefits, it is easy to see why including cardio exercise into your weekly routine is a wise choice indeed. Thank you for watching, please subscribe.